Hello students. Today in artificial intelligence we will discuss about a problem called vacuum cleaner. So under unit 1, myself Sasireka, assistant professor from the department of CSVS from RMD Engineering College. So what is this problem? Okay, so this is a problem where well-known search problem for an agent which works on artificial intelligence, right? So what is this problem is, in this problem, we have an agent. The agent is called as vacuum cleaner. Then it is considered to be the goal-based agent. What is the goal of this agent is, which is to clean up the area. Okay, so we have to keep the vacuum cleaner in any one of the room. Okay, so it has to clean up the whole area. Okay, so we in this classical vacuum cleaner problem, we have two rooms. Okay, but vacuum cleaner is available in only one room. Okay, but there is a dirt in both the rooms and it is to be cleaned. The vacuum cleaner is present in any one of this room. So we have to reach a state in which both the rooms are clean and are dust free. So for this problem, how do we make out a problem specification is, so what actions we can perform this? Either we can move the vacuum cleaner to the left or right or forward or backward, and we can do suck the dust. Okay, so these are the following functions or operations we can perform with the vacuum cleaner agent. But there are only two rooms in our problem. The vacuum cleaner performs only the following options. Okay, here the performance of our vacuum cleaner agent depends upon many factors. Okay, based on the time taken in cleaning and the path which is followed in cleaning and how many number of moves the agent takes in total in order to suck the dust. Okay, so these are the parameters which has been taken to calculate the performance of our agent. So we consider mainly two factors for estimating the performance. One is the search cost, another one is the path cost. What is the search cost represent is, here how long the agent takes to come up with the solution, that represents the search cost. And path cost is how much expensive each action in the solution are. Okay, the total cost of the solution is the sum of the above two quantities. Okay, so this is what the vacuum cleaner problem formulation. Let me go into the problem. How do we do it? What are the possible 8 states for this vacuum cleaner problem? Okay, you can look at the first picture. We have a vacuum cleaner. We have both rooms are given, and vacuum cleaner is present in the left room, and dirt is also there in the left room. So this is one possible state. And move on to the second one. The dust is there in the first room, and also dust is there in the second room. But vacuum cleaner is present in the second room. So these two possible state. Initially, two possible state are possible, right? Then move on to the third one. When you are having the vacuum cleaner in the first room, the dirt is cleaned, right? So only vacuum cleaner is present in the first room and the dirt is still there in the second room. And if the same condition, if we move on to the sixth state, if vacuum cleaner is present in the second room, a dirt is cleaned, only vacuum cleaner is available in the second room and the dirt is still there in the first room. So this is possible. 3 and 6 are the possible state, right? And moving on to the fourth state, vacuum cleaner is cleaned. First room means we have to shift the vacuum cleaner to the second room. And if you look at the fifth state, vacuum cleaner is cleaned the second room means we have to shift the vacuum cleaner to the first room because still the dirt is there in the first and second room. This is one case. Then if you move to the seventh and eighth states, the vacuum cleaner is cleaned all the dust in the first room and also in the second room, right? So these are the 7 possible states for the classical vacuum cleaner problem, whereas an agent can be programmed accordingly to suck the dust. Okay, as we discussed, the following actions the vacuum cleaner can perform is, either the vacuum cleaner can be shifted to left or it can be shifted to the right rooms respectively. Okay, so this is a state space graph for the vacuum cleaner problem. Okay, so initially we want all the dirt cleaned up. Formally, the goal state is 7 or 8. So we can able to come up with the 2 goal state. One is 7th state, another one is the 8th state. As we discussed, we can perform the actions like left right. Only we perform the actions like left right and sucking the dust and no operations at all, right? So this is how the state space graph for classical vacuum cleaner would looks like. If you can see what we discussed in the previous problem specification, the same we have to convert into the state space graph. Okay. Thank you, guys.